Sandeep Sharma, PRO, Public Relation Officer. Kitesh says that he is a outspoken man. Ravikant Reddy is a cunning and a knowledgeable person. Meher Singh, hard eater.
वेलकम बैक। हम बात कर रहे हैं मिस्टर जी ई श्रीधरन के साथ। बड़ा रिच एक्सपीरियंस है उनके पास, 55 साल का, और उन्होंने जितनी जनरेशन्स के साथ खेला है। फर्स्ट एपिसोड में उन्होंने अपनी स्टोरीज बताई कि किस तरीके से उन्होंने खेलना शुरू किया, स्पेशली उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा उनके सीनियर्स के साथ, बलवंत सिंह बल्लू के साथ। और इस एपिसोड में हम उनसे बात करेंगे उनके फेवरेट प्लेयर्स की, उनके पसंदीदा प्लेयर्स की अलग अलग पोजिशन पे, और बहुत सारी नई जानकारी वो हमें देंगे इस दूसरे एपिसोड में। हाउ मेनी जनरेशंस यू हैव प्लेड विद, कितनी जनरेशंस के साथ आप खेले हैं या आपने देखा है? आई गेस कि बल्लू सर का जो बैच था, दैट वाज द फर्स्ट बैच जो आपने देखा होगा।
Ballu sir is the first 77. I started with playing with the France team, Ballu sir and Kuti sir and all. Then afterwards, I played another generation. That was Sukhpal. No, before that we have Prabhakar Rao, and then Gopi Krishna, and then Meher Singh, Rameshwar Dutt and all. Then third one, we played Sukhpal Singh and others and all. Fourth one, we were selected for 1990 Asian Games, fourth Asian Games, myself and Basit, but team could not go participate. In that also some youngsters have come. So every setter will play fourth generation. Surely they play. If you want to play as a setter, you can play fourth generation with the team.
And as a coach, how many generations you have seen? एक लंबी लिस्ट होगी प्लेयर्स की आपके पास।
I have seen about 6 generation. Sharat Kaushik, I was the first assistant coach in Delhi All-Win Cup. That time Sharat Kaushik and Jyotish and Rajvinder Malik, and these are all players were there.
And how many coaches you have worked with?
In 1991, I started doing my NIS 90. As soon as I finished, my first head coach was Vidyasagar Sharma sir. I was really happy because I was assistant coach to him. And he has taught me many things, how that you should, because why I am telling this thing, I learned many things from top coaches like Puchiramaya. He was a very good endurance coach. You can play even 10 sets without any problem. Next I have seen Shamsundar Rao sir, disciplined man, very disciplined, on and off the court. You have to be disciplined, then only you can become volleyball player. Kodandaramaya, he was a very good jumping coach. So I used to watch that every day. You have to make 300 jump, 400 jump, volleyball needed jump. Then comes Ramana Rao. He was an agility man, agile man. Nobody can stand on the ground. Sorry, if Ramana Rao is there, nobody can stand on the ground. You have to move. You have to play. You have to always moving. Then I have seen Kurup sir, togetherness. Always togetherness. You have to be togetherness, then only you can win. Then I have seen many foreign coaches. I was in Italy 5 years, in 82 to 86. I have seen in Italy also many coaching, but Indian coaches are much better than all the foreign coaches in volleyball.
So I've heard that कि आप इटली में आपने 5 साल लगाए थे। इटली का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आपको कैसे मिला? एंड ये भी मुझे बताया किसी ने कि जब इमीडिएटली आपको इटली का ऑफर आया तो आप किसी कैंप में थे और आप दिल्ली आए और आपको बहुत ही परेशानी हुई वीजा लेने में, टिकट्स लेने में, क्योंकि कभी आप अकेले बाहर नहीं गए थे।
That was when I was in 1983. I was in the camp for Asian Championship. Nippi sir was the coach, so I was with the team. So telegram, because I am getting telegram because I have been awarded Arjuna Award in 1982, Arjuna Award 83. I am getting many telegrams in Patiala. So suddenly in between, one telegram I have seen, Jimmy George has given from Italy. He said, reach Treviso immediately. We need one setter. I don't know anything about how to go Italy, how much money I had to pay, flight, everything. We don't know because in 78 to 82, maybe 1 or 2 times we may be flying. Then I went to Delhi. Some people at Delhi helped me. We went to the embassy. We are shown that they are given visa. I went to Italy on 82, I think September, without playing Asian Championship. So Dalil and others, they went to Asian Championship. I went to Italy. And first day, when I landed there after 10 hours of flight here and there, I landed in Treviso. They said evening we have match with Hungary. So their club is playing with Hungary. So they given me, they said 1, 2, 3 things they told me. I captured that. I played. We won the Hungary. So immediately contract has been signed. So I was there for 5 years, 82 to 86. Again 86, I came back for the Indian team for Asian Games.
इटली तो अब वर्ल्ड की टॉप 4 टीम्स में आती है. सो एट दैट टाइम हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस प्लेइंग देयर इन इटली?
Yeah, very good experience. Not only as a playing, it is experience for how that they're, because my aim was always thinking that I should not stop after the playing. I want to continue after the playing also. Something I want to help as a coach, because I have seen the many best coaches. I want to be like that. I want to be like Ramana Rao. I want to be like Shyam Sundar Rao. I want to be like Kodandaramaiah sir. So like that, I used to thinking that in my mind. So when I went there playing also, I used to see them, how they are training. What we? Because why we are making so many endurance type of volleyball? They are not making any endurance. They are making on the ground only. So what is the development on that? These are all things I learned. So that is the best experience for me in Italy.
So ये हमारे शो का सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग सेगमेंट है और आपके लिए जितना आसान है उतना ही मुश्किल रहेगा, बिकॉज आपने लगभग 50 साल में इतने सारे प्लेयर्स देखे हैं कि आपके लिए हर पोजीशन पे आपके 5 टॉप प्लेयर्स को चुनना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल रहेगा. और मैं पहले एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा कि जिन लोगों का नाम आप नहीं ले पाते वो बुरा ना माने, बिकॉज आपका करियर इतना लंबा रहा है 50 साल का, उसमें बहुत सारे प्लेयर छूटेंगे भी. आपकी स्टेट ने इतने प्लेयर दिए हैं आपको नई जनरेशन में, चाहे वो नटराजन हो, चाहे अब्दुल रजाक हो या मनोहरन हो, और बड़े सारे प्लेयर हैं, अफजल बेग, बाबू. तो उन प्लेयर्स के नाम अगर आप नहीं भी लेते तो, या इनके अलावा जिन प्लेयर्स के नाम आप नहीं लेते, तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि आप जी श्रीधरन को ब्लेम ना करें प्लीज, बिकॉज वो लिस्ट इतनी लंबी है और ऑब्वियसली आधे नाम तो आप, मेरे को लगता नहीं कि इतनी जल्दी आपको याद भी आएंगे. सो आपके ऑल टाइम बेस्ट 5 काउंटर अटैकर्स कौन कौन है?
Best counter attackers were Jimmy George was a very good counter attacker, and then we had Sukhpal Singh was a very good counter attacker. Then I have seen Amir Singh was a very good counter attacker. Amir Singh is a big story, how he came into the volleyball. There is a big story for him. But Amir Singh was a best counter attacker. Then I have seen many counter attackers. I have seen Abhijit Bhattacharya ji was a very good counter attacker. He was playing center blocker, conversion into counter attacker. He played very good. But recent years, Naveen Raja Jacob was a very good counter attacker. And then sometimes every year sometimes Kaushik has played a very good counter attacker. And then many players, they came and play. Because every time, even Anand Kurup was a very good counter attacker in some Asian. Sukhpal Singh, why I am telling Sukhpal Singh extraordinary? Sukhpal Singh, because of Sukhpal Singh, and I think Jyotish is there or not, I don't know. Then Om Prakash was there. Then Santi Lal was there. Then one more, Uday Kumar and Cyril. These people, we won the South Games in Calcutta. Only because of Sukhpal Singh. Because Sukhpal Singh is so powerful attacker. Like that, Cyril was a very good receiver and attacker. Because we are produced very less receiver and attacker. In that top was Cyril, and then Kuti Krishnan was there when I was playing in 78. He was a very good receiver and attacker.
अब बात करते हैं, since you were a setter, तो जी श्रीधरन के 5 ऑल टाइम बेस्ट सेटर्स, उसमें आप खुद को इंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते.
Top 5, I feel top 5 is M. Singh 1, and Ravikant Reddy, Venkat Narayan, Kapil Dev, and Ukrapandian, and Ranjit Singh. 6, please. Yeah, add 6.
Okay.
6 is a fantastic setter.
यूनिवर्सल में शायद आपको थोड़ी परेशानी हो, बिकॉज जब आप खेलते थे प्लेइंग डेज में, उस टाइम पे यूनिवर्सल उसको बोला जाता था जो बैकलाइन करता था, और उसको ऑलराउंडर कहते थे। लेकिन आई गेस सुरजीत ने यूनिवर्सल की डेफिनेशन को चेंज किया एंड ही वाज द फर्स्ट ऑफिशियल यूनिवर्सल अटैकर। एनीवे, आपके ऑल टाइम बेस्ट 5 यूनिवर्सल अटैकर्स कौन कौन है?
Surjit, okay, number 1. And then we have number 2 is Tom Joseph. Then we have what is his name? You said Gurinder. Then we have Sijaz. He's played only 1 or 2 times, not much. He played for Asian Games and all. I think he played for Asian Championship or Asian Games. I don't know, but he has also performed well. But Gurinder has performed so many Asian Games. Then afterward, we have currently 2 very good universal, like Jerome and Vinit Kumar. Both are good. Surjit was the first universal name. Sham Sundar sir has brought him, and he is the man who was started from zone 1 attacking. So it's called already Jimmy and all played. But Surjit, they used to have pure universal from there started. Then we have Gurinder Singh. We cannot forget him. So many years he has. Sanjay, yeah, Pogart. He won the Asian gold medal and world silver medal. Sanjay Pogart.
GE Sridhar के ऑल टाइम बेस्ट 5 सेंटर ब्लॉकर्स।
When I played 78, there was a very less blockers, not much. They used to do center block and they used to go for counter attack also. When it became 82, then they started making blocker, like Prabhakar Raju was the main blocker for the team. Then afterward, which I have seen in 86, we have seen Sandeep Sharma was doing very good blocking. And sometime I have seen Meher Singh also doing blocking, but Sandeep Sharma was fantastic. Which I have seen in the Indian team, which I have coaching seen. First thing I can say, Rai Joseph was a fantastic blocker, because I had taken him 91 or 93, I don't know. I had taken him to Vietnam. So with me, Prabhakar Raju was assistant coach, and one more coach was there. We were thinking, oh, this boy, how he can play. He has performed fantastic. He got the best center blocker award in Asian Championship, in Junior Asian Championship. Won 5. Then I had to go number 1 Ratan Lal. Then number 2 Rajesh. Then number 3 you want that Rajiv can be, and then Subbarao can be, Rai Joseph can be. Other than that, plenty of blockers we have produced. Now we have a very good blocker like Agin, and we have Karthik. Many blockers.
आपके ऑल टाइम बेस्ट 5 लिब्रोज।
5 liberos. I have seen liberos very less, because first I started making Indian team. The first libero was I think Murudi, Ravinder Murudi from Orissa. Okay. So he was there with the junior team. That time only the libero started. I have seen them. Then I have seen Rajiv Vinod was playing a very good libero from Kerala. Then we have Kanakaraj from Tamil Nadu. Manoj, yes, Manoj Himachal. He was a very good attacker. First with me, he was attacker in junior team. Then converted into libero, but fantastic performance by Manoj. Then we have Prabhakaran from Railways. Arun Jakmola, Services. He was a very good libero. He played many years with the Indian.
एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्टोरी है हमारे एक लेजेंड की, जो मेडिकली अनफिट हो गए थे और दोबारा आए, आपने मौका दिया, और आज वो हिंदुस्तान के बेस्ट प्लेयर्स में से एक हैं। तो वो स्टोरी जरूर आप शेयर कीजिए आपके सभी वॉलीबॉल फैमिली के लोगों से।
One small story I can tell you, because one boy they came for selection. It was in Vizag. One boy selection is over. One boy selected. So what happened? The medically doctor told me, sir, this boy having some problem. He cannot be in the training. Then coaches has to take. Then I told the boy, please go home. Next year you can come. You prepare that. Next year again Asian Championship is there. We will take you. Don't worry. Then I went to the room, and really, I am really shocked. Next day morning, I got up and came. The boy is sitting out of my room near the door, and he was crying. And I asked why. I said, sir, no, sir, I am more interested in volleyball, sir. I want to play volleyball, sir. I will show you, sir, best. I said, I am sorry, you are medically not fit. So you go home next year. Then that boy went home. I was also thinking, what we have done wrong or what? Next year he came. We have selected him. He was the best player. He performed very well in Asian Championship. He is Mr. Ramir Singh. He is Arjunavadi. He's great because, sometimes coaches has to feel we may do mistake because hundreds of players, 150 players are coming. We are selecting. Sometimes we may do some mistake. Because of that, the player should not suffer. So I was feeling on that. Next year, he was a blocker. He made a counter-attacker.
1960s में आपने खेलना शुरू किया, आज हम 2020 में हैं. बहुत सारी चीजें बदली हैं और नई स्कीम्स शुरू हुई हैं. तो उनमें से एक है खेलो इंडिया. तो आपको लगता है कि ये वॉलीबॉल पे इसका बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट रहने वाला है?
Khelo India scheme has started. So Khelo India, it is a very good scheme. We have a long process. We can go, we can try now, and we can knock the door of 28 Olympics. It was the aim because, Corona, the COVID-19, it has been stopped the training of the player. But still, the SAI Director General as well as Secretary General Volleyball Federation of India had started online coaches course. Because near about 10 coaches, they had taken the course in the online because 15 days back, it was very good. Because many coaches, about 500 coaches throughout India, they attended the coaching course.
Since you have played with generations and you have coached generations, तो आपके लिए बड़ा आसान होगा जो आपके साथ प्लेयर खेलते थे या बाद में आए, जो आपके ट्रेनी रहे, उनके नेचर को जानना. तो इस सेगमेंट में जिन प्लेयर का मैं नाम लूंगा, आपको सिर्फ एक लाइन में या एक वर्ड में उनके बारे में बताना है कि अगर एक प्लेयर का नाम मैं लूंगा तो इमीडिएटली जब आप उनके बारे में सोचते हैं तो आपके दिमाग में क्या वो पहली चीज आती है? सबसे पहले मैं नाम लूंगा दलेल सिंह का.
दलेल सिंह, फाइटर. संदीप शर्मा, PRO, Public Relation Officer. He is a great PRO for all, for volleyball, for SAI, for government, for federation. Everywhere he is the PRO.
Kirtesh Kumar.
Kirtesh says that he is a outspoken man.
Cyril.
In my mind, he is a very short temper. He always tells that he wants to do with a short temper, he wants to win.
Tom Joseph.
Tom Joseph is I always say, great jumper.
Sukhpal
Singh is a killer and intelligent man.
Amir Singh.
Very sociometric. He is having very social attachment with everyone. He is a brotherhood boy. Joby Joseph is a very good intelligent. He is also intelligent, wants to play. He always say wants to play.
Ravikant
Reddy is a cunning and very much knowledgeable person on setters.
Kapil Dev,
very intelligent on setting.
Meher
Singh, hard hitter.
Sharat
Kaushik, very much intelligent.
Very interesting. एक ही वर्ड में, एक ही लाइन में आपने सब कुछ बता दिया उनके नेचर के बारे में और या वो कैसे थे. सो नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द प्रेजेंट वॉलीबॉल. व्हाट इज द प्रेजेंट स्टेट ऑफ वॉलीबॉल इन इंडिया और आपको क्या लगता है कि आपकी क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, आप क्या समझते हैं कि आपको चाहिए कि हम इंडिया को 2024 के ओलंपिक्स में ले जाएं?
ओके, because already we lost in 2013 to 15 we are not participated, so that we are come down in the ranking of world ranking. Now again coming up after we are performed very well, the team performed very well in Asian Championship and qualified for the Olympic qualification round. There also they performed very well and they performed very well in South Asian game, beating again Pakistan in 4th set. They got them again come down to 73, 72 something in the position. Because all the things goes correct, everything okay, finish off, then we will prepare the team for 2024 Olympic. That starts From this year, we have under 19 Asian Championship, under 21 Asian Championship. From that, because you already knows that last year we got a silver medal under 23 Asian Championship in 2019. So the team is we have very good younger team, younger generation is ready. Now we have to build up from zero. Again, we have to come up into the higher level. By another 2 years, it takes for us Asian Championship, and then within 4 years, we will build up our good team.
So one more important thing, your opinion about foreign coaches in India, their requirement for the Indian volleyball.
Say one thing I will tell: the foreign coaches are coming; they are very good. They can do the thing. Only thing there should be some what we say. Responsibilities should be given to Indian coaches also to watch that what they are doing, what the level, because simply coming and they say I will win the World Cup, not possible. It takes time and work, and it is better that we can send our coaches abroad for learning. Many coaches we can send abroad for learning, coaching and all, coming back like what they are doing in abroad, like with the Brazil. Because one coach has comes from Serbia. It was good. It has been given by the International Volleyball Federation. They are given to Volleyball Federation of India. But that's very good. But one thing, that he has stayed only 6 months. If at all we need it, we have to take them from younger side and take a longer year of the foreign coach along with the Indian coaches, sure that we can make it. But sometime we needed foreign coach.
So since we work with a lot of other sports, I've seen that the foreign coaches जो बाहर से आते हैं, उनको टाइम देना चाहिए एक पूरा ओलंपिक साइकिल का 4 साल का, और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ साथ अकाउंटेबिलिटी भी उनसे उसकी उम्मीद करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
See, this is not only foreign coach. This is even Indian coaches. If the coach is taking under 19 team, he should continue up to one level. That was at least 3 years. They should continue with the team. Or they are taking senior team, they should continue with the team. Not that every time breaking that. Because government also wants now always the team coaches should continue that. Then only, because you need minimum of 3 years you need it. Then only you can make something good. Now I think I'm really talking that within 3 years again our team will come back in the top level.
So what message you want to give to all the volleyball lovers, खास तौर से छोटे बच्चे जो हैं जो स्पोर्ट्स में आना चाहते हैं?
All the youngsters जो छोटे हैं जो पढ़ रहे हैं, उन लोगों के लिए पढ़ाई भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसके साथ स्पोर्ट्स भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. और स्पोर्ट्स में आप लोग वॉलीबॉल को चूज करो, आपका लाइफ बहुत अच्छा बनेगा. क्योंकि वॉलीबॉल इट इज वेरी इजी गेम, यू कैन लर्न वेरी इजी एंड यू कैन डेवलप योरसेल्फ वेरी इजीली इनटू द हायर लेवल. सो दैट आप लोग अच्छा पढ़ना है और अच्छा खेलना है, और कोरोना में बाहर नहीं आना है. घर के अंदर रहो, कोरोना खत्म होने दो, उसके बाद अपना वॉलीबॉल शुरू होगा.
थैंक यू सो मच अन्ना, बहुत ही ज्यादा रिच एक्सपीरियंस है आपके पास, और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा हमारी यंग जनरेशन को, आने वाले बच्चों को. और बहुत सारी स्टोरीज आपके पास जो आपने बताई वो एक मोटिवेशन का काम करेगी नई जनरेशन के लिए. और मैं यही उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप ऐसे ही वॉलीबॉल के लिए काम करते रहिए, एंड आई प्रे कि गॉड विल गिव यू मोर स्ट्रेंथ पावर टू वर्क फॉर इंडियन वॉलीबॉल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.